Namaste students, today we are going to read the poem McCavity the Mystery Cat. McCavity the Mystery Cat by T.S. Eliot. About the poet, T.S. Eliot, Thomas Stearns Eliot, born September 26, 1888. Eliot is best known The Waste Land and the Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock. The second of these was published in 1915, the first in 1922. Two other famous poems are Ash Wednesday and The Hello Man. Let us know something about the poem. In the poem, McCavity is a master criminal who is too clever to leave any evidence of his guilt. His nicknames include the Mystery Cat, the Hidden Paw, and the Napoleon of Crime. It's a lyric poem. Eliot uses many literary techniques to make the poem appear humorous to the readers. Instead of using a human as the main character, he uses a cat and attributes human qualities too. So in this poem, the main character is a cat. McCavity is the name of a cat and he is the main character of this poem. So what is the theme of the poem? The theme of the poem McCavity the Mystery Cat is mysterious nature of McCavity. The poet describes how he commits all type of crimes but no police can find or arrest him. Before anybody could catch him, he vanishes away and nobody knows where he is. So the character of this poem McCavity the Mystery Cat is very clever and no police can catch him after crime. Let us go through the summary of the poem. The poem deals with a master criminal who can defy and break any law. The poet calls him a mystery cat and the hidden paw. The poet says that he defies law again and again, but he is never caught. Even the police force and flying squad of England have failed to arrest him. When the flying squad reaches the scene, the place of crime, McCavity is not there. So the Scotland Yard is puzzled. Why it is puzzled? Because of cleverness of McCavity. In committing crimes, no one is like McCavity. He is matchless in his field. He can do any impossible task. He can disappear, he can break Newton's law of gravity and float in the air without support. Even the fakir and magicians are surprised to see his feats. He will outwit you. You may look for him in the basement and in the air. You will have no access to him. So McCavity is such a clever cat that after doing crime, he is found nowhere. Scotland Yard is also puzzled because of his cleverness, and McCavity has broken each and every law, even the law of gravity. He can float in the air. McCavity is a tall and thin cat. His eyes are sunken and his head is highly domed. He sways his head from side to side like a snake. His coat is dusty and his whiskers are uncombed. What type of cat it is? It is tall and thin, eyes are sunken and head is highly domed, and he looks here and there like a snake. As snake moves his head, McCavity moves head in search of prey. His coat is very dusty and his whiskers are uncombed. McCavity is a devil in cat shape. He is morally corrupt. When you think he is sleeping, he is wide awake in fact. You may meet and see him everywhere, but whenever his crime is discovered, you will not find him there. McCavity is just a fictional character created by the poet whose actions resemble those of crooks. So student, this is the summary of the poem. McCavity is not the real character, it's the fictional character created by the poet. See in the picture, see the expressions of this cat, McCavity, the clever cat, the mysterious cat. See the eyes, see the sharpness of eyes and the facial expressions. Now let's go to the poem. McCavity's mystery cat, he is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. Let us go through the word meanings. Despair, hopelessness, bafflement, to create confusion. Scotland Yard, police headquarters of London. So, what poet wants to say from these lines? The poet describes a mysterious cat in this poem. It stands for the hidden paw, a symbol of crime and cruelties that is Napoleon. Here in the poem, the cat is mysterious figure. Even the famous detective agency like Scotland Yard and the Flying Squad is a group of police officers in England, are not able to find it out. He is the master criminal who defies any law. He is the cause of bafflement, the confusion to the detective agencies like Scotland Yard and Flying Squad. He is too clever to be caught by anyone. When they reach the place of crime, the mysterious cat is not there. McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. No one is like McCavity. No comparison of McCavity. He has broken every human law. He even breaks the law of gravity. He has the power to rise or float in the air. It makes even a magician stare at its flying in the air. You may search for it in the basement, you look for it in the sky, but after doing crime, it is not found. No, it is found nowhere. It is not found anywhere. It is found nowhere. Such a clever cat it is. Levitation, floating in the air without support. McCavity is a ginger cat. He is so very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. Then the poet T.S. Eliot proceeds to describe the cat by telling us that he is brown in color, very tall and thin in body. His eyes are sunken and eyebrows are deeply lined with thought. His head is round in shape, his coat is dusty, and his whiskers are tangled, not combed. See the meaning of the whisker, students? Long, stiff hair grown near the mouth. You have seen the cat and you have seen the whiskers of the cat. Sways means to move, and sunken in means deep in. While moving like a snake, he sways his hand from side to side as if in search of any prey, in search of some prey. He is so alert that in sleep also it is found awake. McCavity, there's no one like McCavity, for he is of fine and feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, then McCavity is not there. Again, the same thing in the fourth stanza, the poet says that there is no one like McCavity in his devilishness. He is a fine in the guise of a cat. He is a monster of wickedness. He may be seen in by street or in the square, plaza or an open place, you can say. But when people come to know about a crime, there he is found nowhere. So McCavity is such a devilish character in this poem, and the cleverness of McCavity is described by the poet in this poem. Here we complete with the 4 stanzas of this poem, and the further stanzas we will continue in our next PPT. Till then, thank you, students.